Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
Good morning, guys. So we are in the airport because we are going to Sumba. So Sumba is another island within Indonesia. I've never been there, but it looks absolutely unreal. Like, you may have seen on Instagram, there's like horses and all this jazz. I'm excited. So we're going with NIHI, which is one of the most exclusive hotels in Indonesia. It's actually one of the best hotels in the world. I think it got voted best hotel in the world, either last year or the year before. Just because they have an amazing ethos, it's like really beautiful, amazing people. Like, it's just all round unreal. It's like a luxury experience, amazing ethos, very community led, beautiful design. It's just je ne sais quoi about this. So yeah, I'm in the airport now. So when we got here, actually, there's actually a lady who's standing like waiting for you, and then they bring you in, they do a premium check-in. This is part of the service of the hotel. I didn't find her, I missed her. So then she was messaging me like, where are you? And I was like, I'm in the desk. So then she came to the desk, she's like, nope, I have your boarding passes, I'll take your luggage. So one person takes your luggage, and then they bring you through security, and then they leave you like say in the terminal to like do what you want, and they come back when you're ready to check into the plane or board the plane, so you board first. So yeah, I'm very excited. Starbucks. We haven't had Starbucks this whole time we've been here, and frankly I've missed it. And if that makes me a basic B, I'm a basic B.
Run me down, them up, run me down. Count me out, them up, count me out.
Right, so we come out of the hotel and they've got these like jeeps, so we get jibbing. And they run us little snacks, so cute. So we've got a coffee mittens, and then my welcome coconut, and brownies and banana bread. So cute. How are you feeling? That's good. You guessed about this one? Okay guys, so we are now at, wait, did I say we arrived? We've arrived. And I'll show you everything later, but before we check into our rooms, they brought us down to have some lunch. So I'll show you what we're having. That was a taste test. As you can hear, Taylor is in the back, so I'm not gonna talk. I got some sashimi, and I got a coconut bottle, and then Elle's got a burrata, which is a bit different. Does it taste like burrata? And then she got a steak salad.
Run me down, them up, run me down. Count me out, them up, count me out. Hold it down, Mia, hold it down. One man, Mia.
Okay guys, so we've just got to our villa. Excuse my sweaty face because I am hot as hell. It's very humid. And low-key, I'm obsessed. This could be one of the nicest places I've ever stayed. It's crazy. We have a 2-floor villa. Let me just show you around my crib. Okay, right, so when you first come in, we have this like infinity pool, and here are some like deck chairs to like sit on. We have this outdoor table here, and then we have, these are like the pads and towels for over there because it rained earlier. Then let's go straight inside. And then we have our lounge seating area. There's Helena having a break because she's tired. And then we have a lounge area here. Then you come over and we have all these cupboards. So in here there is like, ooh, there's a fridge here with like all the drinks and stuff. All the drinks in the minibar are included. Then we have tea, stuff like that there. Up here we have, so they refill these vodkas, whiskeys and gins and these little snacks every day. And then we've got this cute little display, speaker, mirror. Then there's our luggage, which we're going to put in this downstairs kind of office room. So it's like got a massive chaise lounge, sofa, chair thing, books. Outside is an additional shower. We have a shower upstairs and a shower downstairs. And then through this door here is a toilet. So I think we're going to use this room to like lay our luggage out and stuff. And then let's go upstairs. Then we have the upstairs bedroom. And stop it, it's just so nice. So one thing I really want to say is that the attention to detail is madness. So this is me and Helena in Italy. So they've gone on Instagram, found a picture of us, printed it out and put it in a frame. How cute. And then we have our itinerary for the next few days. These water bottles are complimentary, so we get to take them home and use them while we're here. They've given us some complimentary fruits, and I think this is like a pancake or something in there for us to have. Then here is our bed. Now, how cute is this? They have written "Happy belated birthday, Ashley" on the bed. Oh, it's so cute. Then we have this massive 4-poster double bed. Another little sofa, another little chair, and then out here is our deck kind of area. So we have 2 more lounge chairs, a bathtub, which I'm absolutely getting in, salt scrubs and towels, and a view of that beautiful ocean. Like, how insane. And then like over here you can see the pool. I'm frankly obsessed. I just cannot believe we're staying here. It is now 4:30. In 20 minutes we're going to a turtle hatching. So I'll see you guys on a sec. I got to know. I'm visiting a neighbor, so I throw my card on the table. I wanna love you, I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love everything. Okay guys, I'm vlogging from my phone because frankly I wasn't planning on vlogging dinner because I was so tired, so I would go for a quick dinner. So we get here and please believe they've arranged the most romantic table for me and Helena ever. It's so gorgeous. It looks so lovely. Like if I was with my mens, it'd be good. But I mean, bestie love. We'll be together with a roof right over our head, share a shelter. Oh, my single bed, we share a separate room. On a beach bus ride. Nice cows over there.
Count me out, them count me out. Hold it down, Mia, hold it down. One man, Mia, hold it down. Cool it down, Mia, cool it down. Catch the flight, then I touch the sky, and I catch the vibe, then I feel the high, then I feel the high, then I touch the sky. It's a real bad move when you sneak up on them and they can't see you coming.
This place is definitely naughty.
Man, a real bad man, you cannot say anywhere for me. Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down, grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, unruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Settle down, I'm still the man, I'm on the man, they want the man, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. Pull me down, I got this town, I run this town, I'm on the man, they want the man. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I'll be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby.
How cute is this? I don't want to leave. Good morning, guys. So it is our final morning waking up in this villa because we're actually staying in a different villa tonight, which is meant to be the most exclusive villa around. So it's very humid. Hopefully we're going to see the horses and then we are going to head on our spa safari. Okay guys, so we have arrived at our spa safari and oh my god, this place is stunning. I feel like everywhere we go here is just stunning. I don't know why I'm shocked, but we're actually at lunch, but I will show you a bit of the grounds after, but I'll show you my lunch first. So for starters, we have these. Okay guys, so I am currently sitting by the pool of the villa that we're staying in tonight. It's so cute. We have this cute little pool here. We just had our massages, which were I had a 30-minute body scrub, and then I think it was potentially a 90-minute scrub, but it was 30-minute scrub, 90-minute massage. It was really nice. It was really relaxing. I feel really good. And then we're gonna have dinner in a little while. So yeah, I am really liking this place. It definitely feels a bit disconnected. We have literally no connection whatsoever, so I can't do anything. So probably go to bed after dinner, but yeah, it's very chilled vibes. The pool was super cute. I don't know if I did a video, so let me just show you. Let me do a video now. Let me show you.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait, I put it down.
So NIHI have set us up with this lovely leaving dinner. So we're gonna have dinner here in this lovely little candlelit dinner with champagne. You know, I love champagne.
Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
So, good morning, guys. So we have woken up outside of our villa on the cliffside, and we're currently having breakfast. I'll show you what we're having. They've given us a real spread, and they were also making us some eggs, so it looks very good. And the view's just nice. It's just so lovely. Right, so we have some pastries here, some fruit in the back, some chia seed pudding, some granola, and then I think this is like overnight oats. I got a cold coffee, and Hel's got a jasmine tea, and then this is the view sides. If you are my future man and you're watching this, this is where I want to be proposed to. So start saving your coin now, pre-meeting me, because it's expensive, but this is what I want.